Today I'm going to show you how to temporarily mount your orange safety flag on the front of your Jeep Wrangler for $8. Okay, so if you're anything like my family, you like to take your Jeep Wrangler to an off-road park, and here in Indiana we've got a great place called the Badlands in Attica, Indiana that we go. And here I purchased an off-road safety flag that we have to temporarily mount onto our Jeep Wrangler before we can go have fun with our family. And so, how do you do that real cheaply? Well, I went to Menards and I found that we had some brackets that we could get. Here's a UniStrut bracket for $3, and then the U-shaped bracket for UniStrut for about $4. And with tax and everything, you can do this for $8. We're going to take these two brackets that already have holes in it that match up to the bottom of the safety flag that we can slide on without drilling any holes. And we're going to attach that bracket to the front of the tow hook on the front of our stock Jeep Wrangler. Okay, for this installation, we're going to need some basic wrenches. Ratchet wrenches are very handy. We're going to need a 5/8 wrench here, a 9/16 wrench, and a 3/4 inch wrench. So the 9/16 wrench is for the UniStrut bolts that come, and you're going to want to pre-assemble the U-strut, the U-shaped bracket, and the L bracket in this fashion right here, to where this is bent this way, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to get it kind of loosely fit and just slide it over the front of our hook, just like that, all right? And then in order to clamp it tightly to the tow hook, we're going to need a 9/16 wrench, and here's where the ratchet wrench comes in handy. You can kind of get these finger tight and then ratchet this on quickly and squeeze it on there, and you can see that that's very rigidly mounted on there. Of course, if you don't have any wrenches, you can just use a good old crescent wrench. That's what that's here for. And then the other two sizes are going to be needed for the 3/4 inch nut here, and the 5/8 nut, or the 5/8 open end wrench here on the top part of your safety flag. So we're going to go ahead and loosen that up here. And you have two holes here to mount your flag. Doesn't matter which hole you choose. I'm just going to pick the easy one here and just put it in. And as you can see, there was no holes that needed to be used to drill. We just slip that on and snug that guy up here to the top. And then we're going to use our 3/4 inch wrench down here below, and then our 5/16 up here on the top, and give it a nice tug there. And now we're ready to go off-roading. Thanks for watching this tutorial video with us today. I hope it helps you. If you can figure out how to do it cheaper than $8 without drilling holes, please put some comments down below and subscribe to us on YouTube. Special thanks to Brianna, my daughter, for doing the film and having some laughs and giggles while we make our YouTube video together. Today I'm going to show you how to mount this. Okay, hope you enjoyed our quick little. Thanks for. You ready?